Welcome to Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at a variation on the Gin Fizz. Now the original Gin Fizz, nobody really knows who came up with it because it predates cocktail books. But in 1888, the Ramos Gin Fizz is invented in New Orleans and is an immediate smash hit. They added orange flower water and cream, and ever since then, it's become the bane of bartenders' existence because it takes so long to make, but people love it. So today what we're looking at is in the same family as the Ramos Gin Fizz, but this is the Strawberry Cream Fizz. To build the Strawberry Cream Fizz, you'll start with 2 medium-sized strawberries. If you really love the flavor of strawberry, you can always add more. And then we're going to give those a good muddle. Because we're going to be shaking this up, you really want to make sure that you kind of pulverize this strawberry, and we will be double straining it, so none of these bits are going to get into the drink. But if it's not fully muddled, for lack of a better description, you're not going to get all the flavor out of these strawberries. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice, and 1 ounce of simple syrup. Into your shaker tin with no ice, we are going to add 1 ounce of heavy whipping cream and 1 egg white. The reason I'm putting the cream and the egg white in a separate tin before we shake is because the acid from the lemon juice could start to curdle the milk and cook the egg whites if it was left alone for a little bit. Next, we're going to integrate them together real quick and do a dry shake. Next, we're going to add 1 large format ice cube. You could always add 2. If you don't have large format ice, you can use a couple of regular size ice cubes. But with something like this, because we're going to shake the evil out of it, it's nice to use a large format ice cube so you don't over dilute the cocktail. And now, shake it like it owes you money. Next, we're going to double strain into a Collins glass. Next, we're going to top it off with some soda water. And with anything with egg whites like this, you want to be a little bit slow and careful with your soda water because it will respond to the egg whites and start to lift it up out of the glass. And if you pour it too quickly, you're going to have egg whites just flowing all over your counter. And one of the marks of a fizz that it was done properly is a straw should stand straight up without any ice there. Garnish with a strawberry. And there you have a Strawberry Cream Fizz. Thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime I release a new video. And if you loved our video, please tell your friends. And if you hated it, tell your enemies.